Rimsha. And he's Afnan. And they love traveling together. Today they're packing for a vacation in Bali. And as usual, they're on time.
No, we're not. And it's all because of Afnan. Man got up like an hour ago.
Hold up. Weren't you the one changing the outfits for like 2 hours?
Well, my vacation photo dump starts with a fire airport fit.
And they are sharing one bag.
So here's the thing. I know we're taking an international trip, but carrying one bag for the both of us is going to be like a fun little challenge, don't you think?
How exactly are you planning to fit all of our things into one bag?
I have a game plan. You gotta trust the process.
Let me guess. I get 10% of the space.
No, I have an idea how we're gonna figure out for this one bag to carry both of our essentials. Let's start with our carry-on luggage. I have my sling bag. What do you have?
Let's get packing, shall we?
Let's do it.
Rimsha,
Yeah?
this is already a mess here. How are we gonna...
Wait, what are you doing? Are you taking 2 laptops?
Yeah.
No, we'll share one laptop for maximum efficiency. Unless there's something on yours that you don't want me to see.
There's nothing like that, okay? It's just that you're gonna have to promise that you're not gonna make me beg for it, and I get the dibs on these.
I can't promise you that. But only keep one laptop, okay?
Sure.
Okay, let me help you out. We'll put all the electronics in your bag. Here's the cooler, the power bank,
Never run out of juice, guys.
electric toothbrushes,
Cannot miss out on these guys.
a
Hey.
small...
Where's my headphones?
Oh, right here.
Thanks.
We can put our charging cords in this little tiny essential.
Yes. Now that we just have one laptop, not much to take.
Your travel kit.
Razor. Thank you. This way, your fabric stays safe. Alright. What else? Alright guys, don't get your skin roasted in the sun. So, a sunstick. Now, if you do have a good skin but not good hair, doesn't make any sense, right? So, a hair wax. And yeah, they don't have switches on airplanes, so gotta use this to turn off the lights. And guys, do not travel anywhere without this, okay? Alright, what's next? Guys, travel hack. I know, carrying full-size perfume bottles is not allowed and it's very inconvenient. Hence, use this atomizer so that you can always smell fresh and good. That's there. You don't want just your skin to look good, right?
Don't forget your moisturizer, otherwise you'll be asking from me all the time.
Guys, never ever forget your laundry bag. Always carry this.
So here's what's going in my sling bag. We start with a Clarins Lip and Cheek tint. Of course, a MAC Studio Fix compact. My Geology lippy. A stroke cream for touch-ups. Cannot forget my sunscreen on the go. A blush, the favorite Armani blush.
Hey, are those like real? Or those like toys?
No, these are real fragrances. This is how I travel with all my favorite fragrances. You can see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fragrances and they all fit in my bag.
Is this also one of your essentials?
No, this is purely for aesthetics.
I see. Alright. Wait, I forgot something. Munchies.
Now comes the trickiest part.
To pack all of this.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's start with outfits. Okay, I think you should really carry this shirt for the beach. It looks really cute.
Yeah, sure.
And you remember what I taught you, right? Like fold and roll.
Yeah, like this, right?
Just give it. This is one of my favorite travel hacks. What you do is you fold your clothes and then you roll it neatly and it saves a ton of space. And then you place it over here, and this way you can put like at least 4 to 5 more shirts in here. Isn't that saving space?
This looks very neat, huh? Hey, don't forget my gym clothes, huh? What? I mean, I don't miss a single workout, even if I'm on a vacation.
Wait, I just taught you how to roll and pack. What are you doing?
Sorry. Good.
Yeah.
Fine, I'll move on. Okay. Now, I have this, the toiletries.
Wait, what are you doing?
What? It's a shower gel.
But why are you packing things that you're already gonna get at the hotel? It's okay. Just leave the shower gel, leave the shampoo. You can... Wait, why do you have full-size body care products?
Because I'm a full-size man.
You know what? I knew you were gonna do something like that.
Yeah.
So I've already packed some travel-friendly, cute little squeezables.
Nice. Thank you. All right, I think I should start. Can you please help me? This just doesn't look doable.
Okay, so why don't you grab that grey bag?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open it.
Yeah.
Now, while Afnan is packing his essentials, I'll show you what I'm keeping in mind.
Aren't you supposed to help me?
I think you can figure that out on your own. You're a grown man. Okay, I'm gonna start putting things in my bag. First, I'll go with one blush.
One?
Yeah.
I've always seen you carrying like 5.
Yeah, but this time I'm traveling light. You know, the whole game plan of traveling smart. But I have like 5 lippies.
I thought we were
That's
traveling.
because I'm a lip girly and I can't help it. I can't cut down on everything, you know. Then a skin tint.
Alright, I think it's my turn now. Aftershave balm. Because I don't want an irritated skin, right? And frizzy hair, I can't have that, especially on a vacation, right? Hence, a conditioner for my curly hair. Yeah. Also guys, another hack. Always wear your bulkiest footwear and carry the light ones. So now this goes in the bag. So it saves you a lot of weight and space.
Done. Afnan, I can't zip it up. Afnan, you gotta help me. What are you...
It's simple, yeah. Just press it down. Alright guys, now we're done. Almost. The last finishing touch, the baggage tag, which is also very mandatory. Should always put it. And we are all set to roll.
1 second. Where's the passports?
No.
So we're off to Bali. Hope you enjoyed the video and noted all our travel hacks that we used. Hit the like button, leave a comment below, share it with your friends.
Don't forget to subscribe. Right?
Yeah.
चलो यार लेट हो रहा है चल 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 गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर